Welcome back to the Military System channel. Before watching, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Enjoy watching. The AH-1Z Viper is one of the most sophisticated and deadly attack helicopters in the world today. Developed by Bell Helicopter, the Viper is the latest evolution of the AH-1 Cobra family of attack helicopters, first introduced in the 1960s. This helicopter is the backbone of the United States Marine Corps, USMC, attack unit, designed to provide close air support and destroy ground targets with high precision. With cutting-edge technology, powerful weapons, and extraordinary maneuverability, the AH-1Z Viper is a symbol of air dominance in modern combat. History and development. The birth of the AH-1Z Viper cannot be separated from the long history of the Cobra family, which is the first mass-produced attack helicopter in the world. Initially, this helicopter was developed to provide air support for ground troops during the Vietnam War. The AH-1 Cobra proved to be very effective in this role, but over time, technology and combat needs changed. In 1996, Bell Helicopter was awarded a contract by the USMC to develop an updated variant of the AH-1W Super Cobra helicopter, which had been in service for more than 2 decades. From this project was born the AH-1Z Viper, which had significant improvements in avionics, armament, and maneuverability over its predecessor. Design and technology. The AH-1Z Viper was designed with 2 main rotors and a tail rotor, a configuration that provided superior stability and maneuverability. The Viper's 4-blade rotors were made of strong composite materials, allowing the helicopter to fly at higher speeds and with lower vibration levels than previous models. This design also reduced maintenance requirements, making the Viper more reliable on long missions in the field. In terms of avionics, the AH-1Z is equipped with sophisticated electronic systems that allow the crew to operate a variety of weapons with precision in a variety of battlefield conditions. Deadly weaponry. One of the main advantages of the AH-1Z Viper is its very deadly armament. The helicopter is equipped with a variety of weapons, including a nose-mounted M197 triple-barrel 20mm cannon, AGM-114 Hellfire anti-tank missiles, Hydra 70 rockets, and AIM-9 Sidewinder air-to-air missiles. This combination of weapons provides incredible flexibility, allowing the Viper to destroy ground targets, armored vehicles, and air threats. Role in combat. The AH-1Z Viper is designed to operate in complex and dynamic battlefields. In combat operations, this helicopter is often used to support ground attack operations by destroying enemy targets that threaten ground forces. Its superior maneuverability allows the Viper to operate in difficult-to-reach areas, such as hilly terrain or urban areas. In addition, the Viper also plays an important role in escorting transport helicopters such as the AH-1Y Venom, which are often used to transport troops or medical evacuations in combat. With its extraordinary firepower and survivability, the Viper is able to protect transport helicopters from enemy attacks during these missions. AH-1Z Viper on the battlefield. Since its introduction, the AH-1Z Viper has been involved in various military operations around the world, from counter-terrorism operations to large-scale conflicts. This helicopter has proven itself as a reliable and deadly weapon against a variety of threats, from armored vehicles to air threats. In the future, with advanced technology continuing to develop, the AH-1Z Viper will remain relevant as one of the world's leading combat helicopter platforms. Its flexibility, attack power, and survivability will allow the Viper to continue to adapt and thrive on the ever-changing battlefield. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Don't forget to watch the next video.